excited to have you guys back here on my channel. Okay, guys, this is famous Forex Academy where we teach mentor people on how to become a professional on Forex trading. Okay, guys, so if you're watching this channel for the first time, I would like you to subscribe, like the video, share the video, leave some sweet comments, and don't forget to turn on your notification to always get notified whenever we post a new video like this. So guys, today I'm bringing to you guys this amazing strategy. It's a very powerful and a reliable one. Okay guys, I call it a 1 minute to $1 strategy because you can probably earn yourself $1 in a minute with this strategy. So all you just have to do is just sit back and watch this video to the end so you can really understand how this works, so you can use it on your own trades and start earning some good money. So guys, quickly I would like to give you a rundown on how this strategy works. Okay guys, so first, before we start, I'd like you to check on the description page. You'll see a link to my WhatsApp number. You can talk to me directly if you have difficulties in trading. Maybe you've been trading for some time and you've been losing a whole lot of money and you need someone who can mentor you and teach you and guide you on your journey on becoming a professional on Forex. So you can chat us, and you can also enroll on our Forex Academy. Okay guys, I think this is the right time for you to do that because we actually running a promo, and the promo will last till the 30th of September 2022. So you can actually join our mentorship program for just a fee of $100. Normally it's $300, but we're slashing it down to $100 because of the promo. And also you can join our VIP group where we drop signals every day, profitable signals where you use in earning a whole lot of money for yourself. Okay, let me quickly take you down to our VIP channel. Okay, this is Forex. This is famous Forex Academy. This is our VIP channel. You can see the results here. This is the signals we've been dropping. As you can see, we've been hitting TPs upon TPs and making a whole lot of money. You can see everybody here is smiling because they are making a whole lot of money for yourself. So this is an opportunity for you to you know this is an opportunity for you to join our winning team and start making money for yourself. So just chat me up, check on the description page. You'll see a link to my WhatsApp number. You can chat me up if you are interested on this promo. But you can also join our free Telegram group, still on the description page. You'll see a link to our free Telegram group. This is our free Telegram group, and we also drop signals here, though it's not every day. We don't drop signals here every day, but at least once in a while we drop signals and drop strategies on how you can actually make money for yourself. So I just advise you can join the free channel, and luckily you can catch some signals that you can use and grow your account. So guys, back to business. So guys, I'll quickly like you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, leave some sweet comments, and don't forget to turn on notification so you can always get videos whenever I post them online. So guys, quickly, let's take a rundown on how this strategy really works. Okay guys, so first of all, the indicators we'll be needing for this strategy, I'll share that with you guys later, but let me just show you how this strategy works first. Then from there we'll we talk about the indicators and other stuff you need to know. So guys, first of all, this is a scalping strategy, and like I always said, scalping is one of the fastest way of trading in the forex market. It's a trade that you don't actually stay for a long time. You just go in, pick some few candles depending on how long you want to stay in the market, but Scalping is not a market you stay for a long time. You just go in and you're out of the market with profits. So this is crash 500. And don't forget that this strategy works on almost all the boom and crash pays. Any boom and crash pays, you can use this strategy and it will work perfectly fine. So far you follow the instruction and you use the right settings. So guys, so first of all, I would like to share with you the zoom level for this video. So the zoom, you have to zoom out completely. Okay, you have to zoom out completely. Then after zooming out completely, you move the first step one, you move again two, move again three. This is at the zoom level we'll be using for the strategy. The third zoom level after you might have zoomed out completely. So guys, I'm actually using this third zoom level so you can actually see this perfectly, so you won't make mistakes on your own trades. Okay guys, so after we finish knowing the zoom level for this strategy, the first thing we are going to look at now is when we are going to buy. Because if you are scalping and you are on crash, you're actually going to buy, and if you are on boom, you're actually going to sell because you're scalping. Okay guys, so when do we buy? Okay, we buy the moment we see this black and green indicator getting down to the level 10 here, the level 10 and level 5 here, which is the oversold level. So this is the first signal. And once you see the black and the green indicator getting down to the oversold level, and you see the green indicator crossing the black indicator to the upside like this actually means that the price is about to go up. Okay, so it's a signal for you to start getting ready that the price is about going up, and we might experience some buying opportunities. So when once you see the green indicator and the black one hitting the level 10 and the level 5 here, and you see the green indicator crossing the black one to the upside like this, that is the first sign. Okay, so the second sign is when you look at your main chart. Okay, when you look at your main chart and when you look at the main chart guys, and you see the same thing here, you see the green indicator crossing over the purple the yellow one like this to the upside. Okay guys, the price is still going up, and it's probably time for you to make that trade. Okay guys, but before you make that trade, for the third confirmation, before you can start making that trade, this is your third confirmation. Okay, this is your third confirmation. The first confirmation is when you see the green indicator crossing the black one to the upside like this. That's the first confirmation. And you look at the main chart, you see the green indicator, okay, crossing the yellow one to the upside like this. Okay, so for you to make that buy trade, you have to wait for the third confirmation. And what is the third confirmation? The third confirmation is when you see after this seeing the first confirmation, which is the green indicator crossing the black one, and look at your main chart to see the green one crossing the yellow one like this. So the third confirmation for you to actually make that buy trade, it's when you see this red indicator, the Ichimoku indicator you're seeing here, the red one here, turning from red to blue. The moment you see this red indicator starting to turn blue, that's a clear sign for you to make that trade. You open your position, you buy, and when you buy, you pick 5 to 8 candlesticks and you close the market. I repeat, you pick just 5 to 8 candlesticks. Make sure you don't stay longer than that. That's probably 8 minutes. So don't stay longer than 8 minutes in the market. Just pick 5 to 8 candlesticks and you close with profit. And when that happens, you stay again and wait for that signals again. When you get the same signals again, then you also make your trade again. So you can keep doing that over and over again, the 8 10 15 times in a day. So far you have the three signals correctly, so you can make that trade. So let me refresh this once again. Like I said, the first confirmation, it's when you see these two indicators, the green and the black one, on the level 10 and level 5, which is the oversold level. Okay, and when that happens, the moment you see the green indicator crossing the black one to the upside like this, that it's a confirmation that the price is about to go up. But you don't just make the trade at that moment, because the confirmations are not yet sure, because this is just a confirmation one. So you don't make a trade when you have just this one confirmation. It might not go well. So all you just have to do is you have to wait for the three confirmations to be okay before you make that trade. So the first confirmation is when you see the green indicator crossing the black one to the upside like this. Then you look over your main chart. You have to make sure it happens the same way. So when you look over your main chart, you see the green one crossing the yellow one to the upside like this again. Then for you to be sure that it's time for you to make that trade, to take that trade to buy, okay, it's when you see this third confirmation. You see the green, the red indicator, which is the Ichimoku indicator, turning from red to blue. The moment you start seeing this blue coming out, like from red, it turns from red to blue. The moment you see this happening, that's when you open your positions. You take 5 to 8 candlesticks and you close the trade. Like I said, don't stay longer than 8 minutes. 8 candlesticks, that's probably 8 minutes, because each of these candlesticks is 1 minute. It takes 1 minute to form one of these candlesticks, because we are on a 1 minute time frame. When you're scalping, you're using a 1 minute time frame to scalp. So that means each candles you see here is probably 1 minute, and it takes 8 minutes to form 8 candlesticks. So all you just have to do is when you stay 8 minutes in the market, that's 8 candlesticks, you close the trade. So guys, this is very simple. All you just have to do is just follow the instruction correctly. Make sure you do everything exactly the same way I did them. So don't make no mistakes before you start losing money, guys, because I won't like you guys to lose money. Let me just back test this so you can see that this has been happening a lot. Okay, as you can see it here, this is the first confirmation. The first confirmation here, as you can see, the first confirmation, the black and the green indicator on the level 5 and the level 10, which is the oversold level, and you see the green indicator crossing the black indicator to the upside like this. That's the first confirmation that tells you that the market is about to go up. Okay guys, so after the first confirmation, for you to have your second confirmation, you have to look on your main chart. Okay, when you look on your main chart and you see the green indicator still crossing the yellow one like this to the upside, that is the second confirmation that the price is actually going up, which is actually giving you the opportunity to make that buy trade. Okay guys, so after the second confirmation, for you to make that trade, you have to make sure that this third confirmation is sure. And how are you sure that this third confirmation is sure? It's when you see this red indicator here. As you can see, it's turning from red to blue. So the moment you see this happening, you see this red indicator turning from red to blue, that is when you make that buy trade. You open your positions, and when you open your positions, you take just 8 candlesticks and you stay out of the market. You close with profit. Take 8 candlesticks, close the market with profit. So guys, It's very simple, guys. It's very simple. This strategy is very powerful and reliable. That's why I had to bring it up here for you guys, so you guys can use it on your own trades and make money for yourself too. You can actually backtest this on your demo account first, then before trying it on your real account to be really sure that this is really working. But I assure you that this strategy is working perfectly fine. Is what I've been using. It's a strategy I've been using for a long time. I only use this strategy with my VIPs, but I just decided to just share it with you guys because there's no point of me keeping it to myself. Let me share with you guys so you guys can actually use it to make money too. So guys, this is actually crash. So let's quickly go to boom so I can show you how this works on boom too. Okay guys, so this is boom 1000. Like I said, when your scalping crash you are buying, and when your scalping boom you're selling. So this strategy, it works the same way but on the reverse side. Okay, since the indicators are actually, going up in crash, in boom is just going down. So all you just need to do is, okay, all you just need to do is you look on your indicator window one. That's when you're on boom. You look on your indicator window one, which you have here. You can see the green and the black indicator here at the level 90, which is the overbought level. And what happens is when you see the green indicator crossing the black one to the downside like this, you see the green indicator, this is boom. So this is how you scalp with this strategy on boom. So when you see the green indicator crossing the black one to the downside like this, that shows and tells you that the market is actually on the downtrend. The market is about to go down, so you should get ready to make some sales. So after that is being done, for your second confirmation, you have to look for second confirmation, you have to look over your main chart. And when you look over your main chart, you see the green indicator crossing the yellow one to the downside like this, which still tells you that the market is actually going down. So all you need to do now is wait for your third confirmation. And your third confirmation is when the blue, remember on crash it's actually when the red turn to blue and you buy. But on boom now you have to wait for this blue indicator to turn from blue to red. And when once that happens, you open your positions and you sell. And when you sell, you pick 8 candlesticks. That is 8 minutes. Like I said, I repeat, 8 minutes. Don't stay longer than 8 minutes. Pick your 8 candlesticks and close with profit. Okay guys, let me repeat this one more time. I said when you are on boom, okay, before you place your trade, you have to be sure that the black and the green indicator are on this level 90, which is the overbought level. And when that happens, you have to wait for the green indicator to cross the black one to the downside like this. And when that happens, you go over to your main chart and have to be sure that the green indicator is crossing over the yellow one like this to the downside. And for you to make the trade, you have to wait for the third confirmation. And the third confirmation is when this blue indicator actually turns from blue to red. The moment that happens, you open your positions, and when you do, you take 8 candlesticks. That 8 minutes, don't stay longer than 8 minutes. Pick 8 candlesticks and you close the trade. So guys, this strategy is wow. It's wonderful. Just use it guys and make money for yourself. It's very, very reliable guys. So guys, so quickly let me take you down to the indicators and how we fix this indicator so you can actually fix them on your own trade too. So the indicators we are using for sorry for this guys, sorry about this. Okay, so the indicators you are using for this strategy is on the main chart is the Ichimoku, the moving average. We are using two moving averages, and on that indicator window one, we are using relative strength index, and we are using two MACD. So the first indicator you will be adding to this strategy is the Ichimoku. Okay, on the Ichimoku, the ticket sign is 7, the Kujin sign is 3, circle span B is 52, and this space you take it. Then on the styles, the ticket sign is 1 pixel. Make sure you are using the color of your background. My background is white, that's why I'm using white. If your background is black, make sure you use black. And the Kujin sign is 1 pixel, still white, and Opkumu is 3 pixel. I'm using blue. Make sure you use the colors that are visible on your chart so you can see them correctly and boldly and you don't make no mistakes. And the Dankumu is 3 pixel red. After that is done. Okay, then you go back to your indicator window again, which is the F symbol you are seeing here. You click on it again. The next indicator will be adding will be the moving average. Then the moving average, the period is 40, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, style is 4 pixel. I'm using 4 pixel so that the lines will come out boldly. The bigger the pixel, the bolder is the line. So I'm using a yellow or a lemon color because it's bright enough to mix around with those colors you are seeing there, and you can still see it. So make sure you use a color that is visible, that you can see perfectly on your chart. And after that done, and you still go back to your indicator window, on your main chart you still add another moving average. This time around the period is 25, shift is 0, method exponential, apply to close, style is 4 pixel, and the color is lemon. So that is done. You go back to your indicator window again. This time around on your indicator window 1, you need the relative strength index, the RSI. The period is 8, apply to close, style is 1 pixel. I'm using white, and the levels here are 90, 10, 5, and 9. And after that it's done. Please guys, make sure you screenshot all these indicators and settings so that you don't do mistakes. So the next indicator we'll be adding will be the MACD. The first MACD here, the fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 5, apply to open. On the styles, main is 4 pixel. I'm using the white because I'm using a white background, but if you're using black, make sure you use black background. The signal, I'm using 4 pixel, color black. If you're using a white background like I'm using, make sure you use black. If you're using a black background, make sure you use white. And after that it's done, you go back to your window indicator again. This time around your second MACD, the fast EMA is 10, slow EMA is 15, MACD SMA is 5, apply to open, style is 4 pixel white, signal is 4 pixel green, and done. So guys, that's the indicators you'll be using for this strategy. Make sure you set them properly, you use the right settings, make no mistakes so you won't mix up the whole chart and get it wrong at the end. So guys, please subscribe to the channel. Like I said, subscribe guys, subscribe to this channel so I can keep doing this for you guys, and turn on your notification to always get notified whenever I post a new video. Share this video with your friends and leave some sweet comment guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you some other time guys. Bye.